The West Virginia Department of Transportation has unveiled an all-new interactive web-based map that shows every road project across the state. The map also provides real-time statistics on how much road work has been completed across a variety of categories.
Hey, the product we put on the website today begins a new era of accountability and transparency for the Division of Highways. It's an amazing tool that our folks developed in-house for pennies on the dollar for what we went out in the market and had developed. They developed it in 2 months, probably would have took a year and a half to get a consultant working on this.
The map currently displays all road projects for 2019, including projects that are currently underway, ones that are about to be started, and ones that have already been completed. The Division of Highways started developing the map after a directive by Governor Jim Justice to start a secondary roads initiative.
Governor Justice to the DOT is a sound, solid leader. He is the one whose vision that we follow, and we believe in it. We're going to accomplish it because we're all in. That leadership, that example, say what you're going to do, go get it done, tell the truth. If you come up a little short, don't give excuses, just try a little harder.
Users of the map can search by city, county, or Division of Highways district to pinpoint any area they would like to view on the map. The map was created in-house by the DOH's Planning Division GTI section.
This took time and hard sweat nights to clean up the data, to bring it up so we can map it with a road name, milepost, to be able, and we try hard to make it simple.
The map currently only displays projects scheduled for 2019, but future updates to the map will include additional projects scheduled for 2020 and beyond.
This is not something that'll a one-hit wonder. You know, we're going to update this thing every couple of weeks. We'll keep this rolling. We'll keep this information going out regularly, so you could literally track what your DOH is doing and judge us by what we do.